What is Saudi Vision 2030 and how does it impact businesses in Saudi Arabia? I'm Richard from Safari Star, and in this video we'll be discussing Saudi Vision 2030. Saudi Vision 2030 is a long-term plan set by the Saudi government to diversify the economy and reduce its reliance on oil. It focuses on sectors like tourism, technology, entertainment, and manufacturing. The vision creates a wealth of new opportunities for businesses, both local and foreign, with streamlined regulations and growing market for diverse products and services. For businesses, Vision 2030 opens up a rapidly expanding market with a government eager to attract foreign investors, reduce bureaucracy hurdles, and foster a more business-friendly environment. The government is offering incentives like tax breaks, relaxed ownership laws, and easier access to permits, making it an ideal time for companies to enter Saudi Arabia market. Additionally, Vision 2030's emphasis on infrastructure development, digital transformation, and environmental sustainability means there will be increasing demand for innovative solutions and services across various industries. If you found this useful, like, follow, and subscribe for more business insights. See you next time.